everybody! Welcome back to another experiment video with me, Stormy Satara.
And me, Atmospheric Ananya.
So what are we doing today, Atmospheric Ananya?
Today we're going to create a storm in a jar using some very simple materials and talk about weather and precipitation.
Wow, precipitation? That's a really big word.
That's right, Stormy Satara. Precipitation is a really big word, but the meaning of it is very simple. Precipitation is the release of water from the sky. It can be liquid or solid. For example, rain, sleet, hail, and snow.
Rain begins when small droplets of water join together in the clouds until they become too heavy and gravity pulls them down to earth.
Wow, that's super cool.
Now I'm ready to do an experiment. What do you think?
I'm ready.
Here's a super fun experiment you can try at home. Every experiment has materials, and that's what we use to conduct the experiment. So here we have a glass vase, water, and shaving cream. And our two very special ingredients are water with food coloring. And for our experiment, we chose to mix blue food coloring with water and red food coloring with water.
Feel free to use similar materials, such as a clear cup instead of a glass vase, or whatever works best for you. Now we're going to add some shaving cream on top of our water. As Stormy Satara mentioned, shaving cream kind of does look like a cloud, and in this experiment, that's what the shaving cream is acting as. So I'm just going to add shaving. So I just added the shaving cream, and as you can see, it's all flattened out because we want to make sure our cloud is covering all of the water below it. Now it's time for my favorite part, adding food coloring.
So here we are dropping our food coloring mixed with water onto our shaving cream cloud. If you remember the process of precipitation, the clouds get heavy with water and eventually allow rain to fall. The same thing is happening here. The food coloring mixed with water is making the shaving cream cloud more dense and more heavy, and therefore the food coloring is falling through. Underneath the cloud, a storm is being created. So here's some super cool pictures that we took of our storm. We added red and blue food coloring to make it look scarier.
Wow, Stormy Satara, that experiment was really fun.
Yeah, I thought it was really neat. Do you remember the big word we said in the beginning of the video?
Yeah, I think it was procrastination?
No, it was precipitation. Precipitation is the release of water from the sky. It can be in liquid or in solid form. For example, rain, sleet, hail, and snow are all different types of precipitation. Rain begins when small droplets of water join together in the clouds until they become too heavy and gravity pulls them down to earth.
So the different types of precipitation are rain, sleet, hail, and snow? Why are they different?
That's a great question. They're all different because of temperature.
So temperature affects precipitation.
That's right. When it's colder, you're more likely to see snow or hail. When it's a little warmer but still cold, you might see sleet. And when it's just a little warmer than that, you'll see rain.
Thank you so much for joining us in our video. We really appreciate it, and we hope everyone had a really fun time.